Is it recording? There we go. All right. We are now officially about to pull Jay's car out from the giant mound of snow which he ran into.
I love how the left side of your car here is like nose heavy.
You learn how to drive, Jay.
I know, right? When I went right into that pile of snow, it was just like, boom.
Big white fluffy thing. I mean, how the hell?
Too much peach schnapps.
These are going up on the Hysteria website.
This is the real WoW experience. Go! I don't think he's going in. Oh snap! No traction problem there.
See, it's almost as good as a Jeep.
It's almost as good as a Jeep.
That's why I gave it a side mirror.